Hey, what's up, guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Alberto Zertuche. I've got a Penn Slammer III right here, an 8500 HS. So another one for the channel, because you get to see how much line capacity he's going to get on there, because he wants 80-pound braid hollow core on here. He's going to be snapper fishing with it, so definitely going to check it out, see what kind of line capacity we can get on here.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta line. I'ma call the whole team.
So where are y'all from?
We're coming in from the Austin area.
Oh, okay.
Actually, we're coming from the valley right now.
And you're gonna go offshore?
Down
one of
in
the.
Galveston.
Oh, okay. Who are you going with out there?
Some Galveston party boat or something like that, I think it's called.
You ought to check out Captain Marquez. He's got the Outcast Charters, I believe it is.
Outcast Charter?
Yeah.
He just does private or?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And yeah, no, they, he gets on the fish, that's for sure out there. So.
What's the name?
Captain Sharky Marquez. Outcast Charters, I want to say this. All right, let's go and get this one started. Alright guys, I just passed up the first bevel and I've got 200 yards waiting. just passed up the second bevel, and I'm at 342. Alright guys, and I'm at 480 yards right now with 80-pound Cortland on this reel. Yep. And so when he does get cut off too, now all he has to do is come back and we'll splice into it and just maintain his spool, so he'll never see the center of his spool again. Big time when it's over. The only thing I don't understand about these big reels,
They don't put that thing.
the line keeper. Yep. And I've got a couple more boxes from our sponsor, Twang. Alright guys, so yes, it's not a rod and reel line, but it is a product that we use when we go fishing. You know, we take good food, good seasonings, good dressings, you know, and stuff like that. So with them, it just seemed perfect for us to be able to work together, you know, them giving us product and giveaways to help our YouTube channel, because I mean, like I said, you know, besides everything else, you know, it's all the things that you still need to take when you have a good fishing trip. So with that being said, they brought up about Father's Day, and I was like, yes, we need to do something. So with what's going on with Cortland and with Twang and with Hard Lives Bait and Tackle, everybody's pitching in some gear. So, we got our beer salt. We got a couple of cups right there. Let's see what they actually sent. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited for y'all guys, because Father's Day is right around the corner. We got there. Haha, very nice. Very, very nice. And, oh, that's pretty cool. Got a nice beardana. Oh, that's pretty sweet. Yeah, that is sweet. So, like this. They also got a nice throwback cap right there, snapback. Yeah. There's 2 cups in there. They got a couple koozies and some beer salt and stuff like that. Oh yeah. Yeah, those are pretty awesome, because what it is, this little deal goes on the side right there, so that way you never lose your beer salt. Sorry guys, I'm really excited over here with everything they got going. Alright, that's one. Let's see what the other one is here. There we go, they got another one, another setup. Awesome. So what we're looking at doing, Cortland is also setting up a deal too with Twang and with Team Hard Life. And what we're going to do is, they're also sending us some gifts to give away for Father's Day as well. The way to enter it in is hashtag Cortland Line or Cortland Braid, either or, anything Cortland Line, Cortland Braid, it's going to work. Hashtag Twang, hashtag don't drink, please don't drink naked. So it's pretty awesome, like I said, for us guys. You know, our sponsors are taking advantage of the ability for us to give away these prizes and stuff like that. So again guys, it's free to enter. You must be subscribed to the channel, and like I said, all you have to do is do those 2 things, you know, hashtag Twang, hashtag please don't drink naked, and hashtag Cortland Line right there. Once we get the gifts from Cortland Braid, will be added into this. So it looks like we're going to select 2 lucky winners right there. One of them will be for the Father's Day special. The other one will be for the original deal that we started with the Cortland braid. We're going to go ahead and tag along and get them to work together so we can give away 2 prizes. So again, guys, it's pretty awesome. We are really excited on how this is going and stuff like that. And by y'all really coming forth and putting the little bit of extra that we're asking for y'all to do, it's really going to help us grow our prizes. You know what I mean? This is the first time I've actually been able to do a Father's Day gift like this. So I'm excited. And like I said, it's just a start. We got so many other things coming in, and we got more sponsors looking to give us a big helping hand up. You know what I mean? So let's go and give them the same thing and blow up these feeds. Keep referring people to our channel. For every 5 that you get, throw your name out there, you get a name in the pot for a fishing trip. Free to get in. You must be subscribed to the channel. And then we also got the drawing number 6, drawing number 7, and the 552 Virgin Blank. And we got other videos that already describe all of that. So again, guys, it's free to enter. You just got to be subscribed to the channel and keep referring the channel, guys. We already blew past 9,000. We're almost at 9,060 subs, and we need to get to 10,000. And we're really going to be doing some awesome things, guys. The bigger we grow, the faster we grow, the more that these companies want to help us. So like I said, again, without y'all, we wouldn't be able to do what we can do. So we're going to keep paying it forward. And they are excited to help us, guys. Loving it. Stay tuned for more.